Today I had a super genius creative idea from a broken printer. This is the stuff. The main material is a printer scanner. Its body is made of plastic material. At the back, there is a very complex PCB board. And at the front, there's a lens made of acrylic mica. Now let's take the PCB board. The circuit looks super complicated. This is her lead chip. There are 6 pins. Stay, we just look for it. Which is positive? Which one is negative? Now let's prepare a 3.7 volt battery. The red one is the positive pin. The black one is the negative pin. Stay. Okay, light up. Meaning that this top one is a positive pin. The bottom is the negative pin. Positive pin we solder. Now I need 1-piece RGB module. Can work in voltage 524 volts. Black is negative input, red is positive input. Red, green, blue wires are negative output. Black is positive output. Now let's solder according to the wire colors. This is the series. Now let's reassemble. I'll tidy up the body. When it's tidy, I'll add a box with a switch installed. Now we just need to connect the cables to the switch. Now let's install the power supply. You can use a 5-volt charge adapter or a 3.7-volt rechargeable battery. And here's the result, from a broken printer to an awesome decorative lamp. It has become a very unique decorative lamp. When turned on, the lights can blink with a mode that we can set ourselves using the module we've installed. Let's test it. And here's the result. The result is this good. If you like this video, please click like and also subscribe. Thank you and see you in the next creative video.